to everybody. I'm Paolo Angeli. I'm professor of internal medicine at the University of Padova, Italy. And it has been my honor to serve as editor-in-chief of the Journal of Hepatology since 2020. As I'm approaching the end of my term this year, I want to take a moment to reflect on my time with the journal. The Journal of Hepatology is the leading publication in the field of liver disease and the flagship journal of the European Association for the Study of the Liver. It provides an international forum for the publication of research describing basic, translational, and clinical investigation in the field of liver disease. First, the new discovery of a direct antiviral drug for hepatitis C that make it possible to cure millions of patients with Hep C, but also let it possible to the WHO to think about the eradication of infection. And we dedicated a specific cover of the journal to the winner of the Nobel Prize for this discovery. Then, the explosion of the metabolic associated steatotic liver disease, then the development of new drugs for the systemic therapy of hepatocellular carcinoma, then in the field of advanced liver disease, a big change of the paradigm, moving from treatment of complication to prevention of cirrhosis and of decompensation of cirrhosis. And finally, the remarkable development of new technology for the basic science in hepatology. We want to continue the work of the previous editorial teams of the journal that were so successful, build science, to disseminate knowledge. We want to interact very actively with all our community, researchers, physicians, nurses, patients, caregivers, policymakers, founders. And we want to increase the geopolitical influence of ESO. So we developed a strategy based on an increase of the letter to the journal to give the feeling of a very active debate within our community, and we strengthened the position of the journal on the social media. And I'm very proud that we were able to open an account on WeChat the high quality of the paper, that is an essential preliminary requirement. Said this, when you are editor-in-chief, you should take into account also other criteria that go beyond the high quality of the paper, and that include the relevance of the topic, the novelty, and the attractiveness of the result, and their potential to trigger a scientific debate, an active scientific debate. In an extremely competitive world like the one of scientific publishing, an entrepreneurial mentality is a skill that an editor-in-chief have to exert always. The Journal of Hepatology is felt everywhere in the world with great trust and respect. So what I want to say to our authors, to our readers, is to continue to believe in the Journal of Hepatology, because I'm sure that the work of the new editorial team will continue to be based on competence, transparency, and responsibility.